Is the location permission not working on the Temu app? If Temu can't access your location, the location permission is denied, or location-based features aren't working properly. It can affect shipping options, local deals, and your overall shopping experience. In this video, I will show you how to fix location permission on Temu app. The first thing you have to do is to go to Temu app. Then in this page, you will click on profile. You will go to settings. You will find this window here. You will go to permissions. And then this page of permissions. You will find location and you will tap here to enable location permission in this window. And if you cannot, then you have to go to your settings to fix it.